Hi students. Since I'm out today proctoring tests, I wanted to show you guys how to do this small group assignment in my absence. So it says this activity must be done in a small group and on a Chromebook, but in reality, you can do it without me and you can do it on one of the desktops. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website called Google Correlate. So I'm going to click that link. It takes you to this page that looks kind of like an uglier version of Google search. Now, if I go back here, it says search something interesting, find the funniest correlation you can, screenshot the image, and upload it here. And I'm going to walk you through how to do those 5 steps. So here's an example. And let's see. I'll go back to Google Correlate. If I type in ice cream, search correlations, you can see that shaved ice is the top one, but grilled salmon is the second one. And so let's take a look at this. You can see that over time, the number of times that people search for the word ice cream almost perfectly correlates with the number of times that people search grilled salmon. And that's what Google Trends does, is it finds a trend in Google searches. You can look at other things that aren't here, like that don't necessarily correlate, but you can just like look at different things that would, I'll show you, Google Trends. To kind of make sense about exactly what Google Trends is doing. So like, let's say I typed in Obama. And now we can look at the trends for Barack Obama, and you can see over time how they change and when he was most commonly searched. So you can see not much way back here in March 2015. And then like, whoa, crazy amount of search happening in, it looks like November of 2008. That's actually the month that he was elected as president. And so you can make sense that more people were searching him right as he was being elected to president. Here, January, another spike in his searches because that's when he was sworn into office. Pretty low, pretty low. Looks like here, November 2012, that's when he was reelected as president. And then searches have been pretty steady. But you see, Google Trends is just a software that tells you how often things are searched. You can see he's very commonly searched in the United States, and it looks like he's very commonly searched in Cameroon. But it gives you lots and lots of data based off Google searches. And today we're going to be using Google Correlate. So this shows me that the number of times that I search, or that people search ice cream perfectly correlates with salmon, which is actually kind of funny because ice cream and salmon do not go together. But if I had to guess, I would say that ice cream and salmon correlate so strongly because people like to grill salmon when it's hot out and people like to eat ice cream when it's hot out. Now, there are a lot more different things that you could do. Like, let's say I typed in Kanye West. We can see all the things, oh, spelled it wrong. You can see all the things that would go with Kanye West, and most of them are Kanye. So I would just exclude terms that include Kanye West. And then you'll see, oh, a lot of people search his name spelled wrong, just like I did. Really corresponds with I hate Kanye, YouTube Kanye. See, last time I searched this, it correlated with fish sticks. That's what I wanted to show you, but it's not showing up here. That's okay. But you can see all different things, and really, you can search whatever you want. Skateboards, different foods. Just try to find a funny correlation. Once you have yours, I'm going to go back to my ice cream example. Once you have yours, you need to screenshot, and you're going to upload this picture. And so here's how you take a screenshot. How to take a screenshot on a Chromebook. What you need to do is press Control and then this little button that looks like a bunch of boxes stacked up. So Control and then this little button, or you might be able to do Control Shift and then that button, and that lets you select a little area, and that's how I'm going to do it on my computer. So I want to just take a picture of this right here. So I press Control Shift, that button that looks like the boxes, these crosshairs come up, and I select, and now I have a picture of that. Going over here, to submit this assignment, it's going to ask you to upload something. And yours will look much simpler than this. You'll probably only have one file in there. I'm going to go to desktop because that's where mine are stored. and pick that recent file. You can see right here that it's attached. I would submit assignment. Oh. All right, it's turned in. You can see that we attached a screenshot, and then I will be able to grade them. And that's it. Now you can do this small group without me.